Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Hey traders, in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about why this could be big, the title of the video. And what I mean by that is gold. I'm going to be looking at gold and I'm going to be looking at the GDX, the gold stocks index. And I'm going to be sharing with you why that we could be getting ready for another big move, and that's why I mean like this could be big. So I'm going to share with you why I see that. Also, I've just gotten. Well, I don't normally do this, but I want to do this to help you guys out. I've just gotten out of 2 trades this morning. I'm an active trader, so I get in and out of trades all the time, and I don't normally really like to mention my trades that I get in and get out of because it's just not really going to help you, but. I've just got out of 2 trades this morning. One was at 155% return and one was at 20% return. They were both trading options, but I'll share with you what those trades were and where I got in, why I got in, and all that sort of stuff, so I can just help you guys out. So let's get straight into the GLD first. So the GLD, we can actually see that we can see the GLD. If we have a look at this weekly chart, notice how this weekly chart, if we have a look at this weekly trend first, we can see how we actually had a nice move up. Notice how we had a bit of a pullback and then we had a move up. Notice how we're getting a bit of a pullback right now. Okay, so we're getting this sideways movement through here, big move. Sideways movement through here. So if we go back to the daily chart, notice how notice how it's basically like repeating itself. Okay, and what I mean by that is, as you can see, right, we had a move up and then we had a sideways movement. Then we had a move up. And then we had a sideways movement. So is this just repeating itself? And then eventually when we start to break up and out, do we get another big move? And that's what I'm saying. Like this looks like it's just repeating itself. And if I go and have a look at the GDX as well too, right? Same sort of thing on the GDX as well too. Look at the GDX, right? We had what? We had a nice move up. Then we had a bit of a slow pullback. And then we had a big move up, and now we're having a slow pullback. It's almost identical to each other. So we had a move up, and then we had a slow pullback, and now we had an overall big move up. Now, obviously, it's stair-step up, but not just straight up, as you can see. Move up. Are we about to get another move up? Which means stair step, okay? Stair step, guys, okay? Stair step, stair step, stair step, right? Not one day, not 2 days, not whole week, not every single day, okay? Stop thinking that, oh, he called bullish today and it went down. You were wrong. Stop. Don't try to be right with the markets, okay? And you don't have to be right to be rich in these markets. You just have to follow a plan that you believe in. Makes sense? So that's why I said that. That's why I said in this video that this could be big, because we could be just getting ready, because getting very similar setups on the GDX and gold right now. And we're getting very, very similar setups, right? It looks like it's just repeating the pattern over and over again. Move up, slow move down, move up, slow move down. Are we getting ready for a move up? Now, when I say, are we getting ready? If it does break to the upside, that could mean a week from now, right? That's what I'm saying. I'm not saying tomorrow is going to go and it's going to be at 32 tomorrow. No, okay? So that's what I'm looking at through there. So that's what I wanted to share with you through there. Now, let me just share with you what happened here. So the very first trade here I got into, which was let me bring this up here. So I won't share with you everything because it's not fair on my private clients, but I'll give you guys exactly why I got into this trade. And this trade here, which was BTU. Okay, BTU. This was 155% return. And as you can see, what ended up happening was we actually had a very nice pullback. See, we had a very nice pullback here. So we had a nice stair step. And as we got this stair step, then we had this big breakout bar. So my entry was right there. And I like that for a couple of reasons. But if I bring this down, I notice how we had a very nice breakout bar. So we had this nice move down, a nice move down from here to here, then a nice move up, and then a breakout bar breaking below support. So I entered here. That was the volume spike there that gave me into. I stayed into this, and then just recently I got out of it. Now, why did I get out of it? Because I was using the 9 moving average, and I've been in an option trade ever since, well, this whole time. So, right now, again, I got out with it was at a really nice profit. I was thinking about holding on even more and using the moving average as a scaling exit, but I didn't do that only because I'm getting towards the end of the month. I've only got roughly about a 1 month, getting close to 1 month left in the option. I had a December option. And once again, I'm in a really, really nice profit here. So I'm just saying, you know what? I'm just going to take the profit off here. It's 155% profit. So I'm going to be really, really happy with that. And it was a kick-ass trade. So that was one trade that we got into. And also me and my private clients there. A lot of my private clients on that as well too. Also, the next trade I got into, which was just this one here, which was ACAD. So I got in on the breakout here. I like breakouts. Now, not every single breakout is going to be a good trade. In fact, a lot of the breakouts are going to be false breakouts. So you need to know how to qualify the breakout, and that's a whole new video in itself. But just sharing with you, I got in the breakout here, and I'm very quick to get in and out of these trades. Okay, very quick to get in and out of these trades. So this trade here, I was in this trade here and I gave it 2 days. And so this was the second day here. And I said, you know what, this looks like it's struggling. We're not getting any big, nice follow through over 2 days. That's giving me some doubt here whether it's going to follow through or not. I don't know, but I'm always looking to protect myself. So I'm looking to get out of the option. And when I went to the option, the option gave me a 20% return. So it's all pretty much the same thing what I'm looking for, a sideways movement with a breakout. And then manage it over a few days and see what happens. If it looks like it's struggling, and if there's some doubt there, just get out and be done with it. Same thing through here, right? It's similar. It's not the exact same, but it's similar, right? Sideways movement with a breakout bar. Watch it, and then go from there. Make sense? So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. I know I do a lot of market updates, like we talk about like the S&P and the Nasdaq and the Dow and stuff like that. But guys, I'm a trader. Okay, I trade every single day. With me and my private clients, we're in there every day talking about the trades we're in right now and all that sort of stuff. I don't normally like to say, oh look, look at this here. I don't really like to do that because it's like whatever, you know what I mean? But I wanted to share with you, and as you can see over the last couple of days, yesterday and today, I'm just sharing with you some of the trades that me and my private clients are doing, and what better way to share with you some of the trades that I got out literally just today or just this morning, my time, Australia time, as the American market was closing, and what the return was and all that sort of stuff. Make sense? So I hope you can see that trading can be simple and trading can be fun. You just got to know what to look for. And on the flip side, understand that when you get into a trade, you're going to have your losses, and understand that up front, not be so like, oh, I need to make money on this one trade, because that's just that's you trying to be right with the market. Makes sense? You have your plan, you stick to it. Some trades are going to be, a small percent of your trades are going to be losers. You never know what trade that's going to be. And a lot of the trades are going to be winners. You never know what trades that's going to be out of the win-loss ratio. If you can start to do that, identify one pattern, understand the win-loss ratio within that pattern, and take the trade and not try to make money on every single trade, because not every single trade is going to make money. And then you can do well, and you can start to minimize your losses and increase your profits. And when you do have your losses, guess what? You can go back over time, and it can really, really, really help you out through there. Make sense? So guys, yesterday I launched a special offer for 75% off my private weekly coaching, special for 2 people only. I've already had 1 spot taken up, so I've got 1 spot left. So if you go to johnscoachingsale.com, a private coaching starts straight away and ends at the end of 2020. That means over 12 months of coaching. When you go to johnscoachingsale.com, on the right-hand column, you'll be able to see all the details about the actual coaching program. If you want to get in on this one here, guys, the 75% off sale, then you need to get access. You need to take action now, because the first I opened up 2 spots, and there's 1 spot already gone yesterday. And this last spot won't last long as well too. So if this is for you guys, then make sure you grab that. So I hope you understand, guys, that the markets look like the GDX and gold look like they may be getting ready to take off again. Not tomorrow. It may take another few weeks. And then alongside with the way that I trade, right, I trade a setup. I don't trade based on what I think. And once I have a setup based on my rules, I then go through my checklist for my rules, make sure it's all, make sure it meets all my rules. And then I get into the trade. And when I do get into the trade, some of them are going to be losers. Most of them are going to be profits. And then that's how you make money long term.